I charged the committee back in January to develop a non-discriminatory policy for the addition of women's sports, to assess Title IX requirements associated with equitable participation opportunities, ensure that scholarship dollars are equally provided to both male and female athletes, and to evaluate CMU's overall compliance with Title IX.
We looked at all men's sports, all women's sports. We surveyed the community, the student body, to consider what their interests were in looking at what we have to add. The Department of Education and Office of Civil Rights has worked closely with us to make sure that we are working toward what is nationally recognized as compliance. CMU is adding to sports. We're quite excited for women, and one of those will be golf, and it will be the first one added over the next 15 months. And then the second will be women's lacrosse.
Golf is huge in the state of Michigan. It's a Mid-American Conference sport. Lacrosse is the fastest growing high school sport in the state of Michigan. And we believe we'll be able to do a very nice job of hiring coaching staffs and fielding teams to be start on the road to being successful in the Mid-American Conference. This is going to be great for women athletes, high school athletes, and great for our collegiate program.